Here at Bell's Farm, we strive to provide delicious and nutritious meals every day. With our advanced oven technology, we can ensure our meals are perfect every day. Our menu is carefully planned to support children's health and well-being, while also offering plenty of choice. Children can enjoy a daily salad selection as an alternative to vegetables, giving them the freedom to choose what they enjoy most.
The food at Bell's Farm is delicious. Yeah.
We're proud to say that no fish is served from the Marine Stewardship's Council Fish to Avoid list, ensuring we support sustainable fishing practices. We use Fairtrade bananas and fruit juice. All our recipes use free-range eggs. Wherever possible, our meat, fruit and vegetables are locally sourced. Our kitchen proudly holds a 5-star hygiene rating, and we offer a wide range of food options to cater to different tastes and dietary needs.